Welcome to the Marty Sites YouTube channel. In this video today, I'm going to be demonstrating how to use the Marty Sites platform to build a website for your baking supply store. Now, if you've just randomly stumbled across this video today on YouTube and you haven't heard of Marty Sites yet, Marty Sites is the easiest way to create a simple website for your small business. You can literally launch your own website in less than 1 minute. It's super affordable. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So make sure you click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. See how it works for you and your small business. So once you've joined the platform, the first thing it's going to ask you to do at the top is to search for your market. We have hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with different side hustles. And we are adding more markets every single week. So I'm going to head to the top quickly and I'm going to search for my market, baking supply store. There it is over there. I'm now going to go ahead and select that template. Great, let's tell Marty Sites a few basic details about our baking supply store so it can generate a simple website. I'm going to go ahead and put in my company name as well as my city and my state or region. It doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the Marty Sites service. We have happy users from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business from restaurant to retail and click on continue. Great. How can our customers get in touch with us? I'm going to go ahead and pop in my phone number over here as well as my email address and move along. Great. Where is our baking supply store located? I'm going to pop in my street address over here as well as my postal code and click continue. Great. What time do we open on a Monday? Let's get our hours set up. I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and a Saturday. We are closed on Sundays for rest and relaxation. Let's do a quick review. Everything looks pretty good to me, so I'm going to move along. If you need to make changes, click on update location or update hours and make the necessary changes. And look at that. Marty's House has literally generated a simple website for my baking supply store in not even a minute. Let's take a closer look together. Now, the beauty of Marty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you as a guideline, of course, and we've pre-selected all the images. They're all really high quality as well. And the great thing about them is they're completely free to use. However, I'm sure you've got some amazing images of all the different baking supplies you stock in your store, maybe some beautiful cakes you have created as well, or your customers have created, and you want to showcase those images on your website or make one or two changes to the content that was pre-written for you, you can do that. So that's exactly what I'm going to be walking you through today. I'm going to be working my way through each section from the top to the bottom so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how the platform works. You don't need to know coding, you don't need to be a web developer, and you certainly don't need to hire a web professional either. So let's get cracking. I'm quickly going to make my way to the top and I'm going to click on update section over here, the first section. I want to make sure my email address is displayed on my website so my customers can easily reach out to me. So I'm going to go ahead and check this box. Email address is now displayed in the top right hand corner next to the phone number, which is click to call, by the way. I've already put in my physical location. It's displayed in the top left. And when your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your physical location. Let's head over to update social links. Over here, you can put in the various social media platforms your baking supply store is active on. The icons will be displayed in the top next to that email address as well as the bottom. So your customers can easily give you a follow, get some engagement going, and see what your business is up to. Let's move along. Now, if you don't have a logo yet because you're in the startup process of your business, that's completely okay. Marty Sites will literally just display your business name here and it still looks really professional. However, I do have a logo, so I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to upload it. If you don't have a logo yet and you really want one, but you don't have a huge budget to hire a graphic designer, I do recommend you check out canva.com. Now my logo has been uploaded, but I do want to make some slight amendments to it. So I'm going to click on this little pencil over here and crop it ever so slightly so it fits better into that section. Now you can also add frames, you can add filters, you can rotate it, zoom in as well. So I'm going to go ahead and save that, wait for it to re-upload as I've just cropped it. Let's give that 1 second. Okay, let's try that again. Let's go ahead and click done and save our logo. Whoops, there we go. Sorry about that. Awesome. So our logo has been uploaded. We can make it bigger and smaller to suit our business needs. However, I think that sizing is perfect, so I'm going to go ahead and leave it as is. Now with Mighty Sites as well, we've pre-selected all the colors used throughout the Mighty Sites website for the baking supply store template as well. However, perhaps your logo, your branding, maybe you've got signage on your vehicle. Maybe it's a completely different color to this one over here, which I guess is pretty neutral. It's a gray. So if you want to change it, you don't need to know color coding. All you need to do is click on this handy little paint bucket over here and go through the various different color palettes available for you to use. So I want something quite fun. So I'm going to go ahead and look for maybe like a red or a pink. Let me check it out. I think I'm going to go ahead and choose this one. Let's take a look at one or two more options. I actually think I'm going to go ahead and select this one over here. Really great. We can change it at a later stage if need be. Over here, I'm going to head over to update image. Now, if you've got your own images, go ahead and browse your device and upload them. Otherwise, search through the photo library. Now, there are hundreds of images to choose from and they're all completely free to use. So Mighty Sites will automatically search for baking supply store. There are some suitable images here, but not all of them. So I'm going to go ahead and just search for baking. Let's check out what it picks up. Okay, so there's some really great images here. All the images actually look really delicious. So I want all of these items. Let me have a look at one more page and see which image is suitable. I'm quite spoiled for choice here. I don't know which one to choose. However, I really like this image, so I'm going to go ahead and click on that one, select it, and save my image selection. Let's check that out. That looks absolutely stunning. I'm now going to head over to update content. Now over here you can change the title and subtitle to suit your needs. Button doesn't have to say give us a call. Maybe you just wanted to say get direction. So let's go ahead and change that and choose our link. Now we can link to another website if it's necessary. We can link to an action like click to call directions or click to email. So I'm going to go ahead and select the directions option. Now, another great option is to upload a PDF file, which is one of my favorite ones. So maybe you have a PDF file of all the different products you stock with prices or a catalog, your latest promotions or deals. Go ahead and pop the PDF file over there. So when your customers click on the button, it will automatically take them to that PDF file. Look at that, fantastic. Over here, again, pre-written content button can link to various places. Click on update section if you want to make any amendments. We've now made our way into the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your business came to be, how you got into the baking supply industry, what kind of supplies do you stock, do you stock decorating elements for people, different levels of bakers, maybe put a little bit more information of the staff and the team running the show and your business. Your customers would love to hear your story. Here is a great spot to put a picture of your team or yourself, perhaps. We've now made our way into the services section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details, the different services, or shall I say, the products you stock. Do you have baking pans and tins available, royal icing, baking chocolate, cake mixes, icing bags, decorations, fondants? Do you also offer classes and workshops on baking for people wanting to enhance their baking skills? Go ahead and put all those details over here. If you need to make any last changes to that address, to those trading hours, go ahead and click on Update section. Now, if you have a custom domain, go ahead and click on the Connect Your Domain button and say, I already have a domain. Now, if you're struggling to work through the steps and linking it, there is a blog post over on our website, www.martyshouse.com. Head over to our website, click on the blog. You'll find a step by step guide there, as well as a YouTube tutorial as well on our channel, by the way. On our blog, you'll also find some great tips and advice for marketing your small business online. Lots of valuable information here, so I do recommend as a small business you check it out. You'll find great tips for marketing your business on social media, in your community, on online directories. Do check it out. Now, if you don't have a domain yet, click on our Want a New Domain because you can actually now purchase your custom domain via the Mighty Site platform. We've recently introduced the feature and we're super excited about it. I really hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your baking supply store. I'm really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any suggestions or any features you'd like to see in future on our platform, do comment below and let us know. We'd really love to hear your feedback.